Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. The iPhone creates hidden files during day-to-day use that are stored in a temporary area of the iPhone memory, and that is called cache. Because these hidden files are created automatically, it is normal to have them. Knowing how to clear iPhone cache can free up your storage space and in some cases speed up your iPhone too. The most common cleared cache on any device is the web browser cache. This is full of saved images and web pages, cookies and other files. The web browser cache is designed to speed up your browser by saving files it might need later so you don't have to download them again. Clearing Safari cache might slow down your browser because it will have to download previously cached data. However, it is a common solution when the browser is not working properly. So in this video, I will show you how to clear cache from your iPhone. So let's start. Hi guys, there are several ways to remove cache from iPhone and I will discuss all of the ways to remove cache from our iPhone. So at first there is option that is the Safari browser. This is the Safari browser and everyday life we always browse this browser for our daily necessity or daily needs. So this browser always stores some cache memory in our iPhone. So to remove this cache memory from Safari browser, what should we do? Now I am showing you in this tutorial. So at first we should go to the settings option. By clicking on settings option, you will find the basic interface page. From this settings option, by scrolling down, you will get the application that you have installed in your phone. Now you will get the Safari applications icon, that is the Safari application. Now click on the Safari applications. Here this is the details about the Safari web browser, and so if you scroll down in the below, then you will find that clear history and website data. By clicking on clear history and website data, you will click this and you will show the clearing will remove history, cookies and other browsing data. History will be cleared from devices signed in your iCloud account. Now clear history and data, just click this clear history and data. You can remove your cache very smoothly. Now the next step is to, if you want to block all cookies in your Safari browser, just uncheck this and block these all cookies. So this was the first step to remove cache from your iPhone. Here I am going to discuss the second step to remove cache from your iPhone. So at first we should go the web browser, that is the Google. You might have to use the Google Chrome or something else. So at first you should click on the Google application or the Google browser or any other else browser. Now you will find the three-dotted menu option. Just clicking on the three-dotted menu option, you will find there is the settings option. So by clicking on settings option, you will get privacy and security. By clicking privacy and security, you will get the history option. Now just click on the history option. Here you will find iMessage search history and cookies. Just clear the cookies and you will show the clear third-party cookies. By clearing third-party cookies and iMessage cookies, you can clear all your cache memory from your iPhone. There are other several ways to remove cache from your iPhone. That is, if you want to use third-party apps, these third-party applications also store some cache memory. So if you want to delete cache from your iPhone, then at first you should reinstall your third-party application or you can unfold your application. For this, just go to the settings option So at first you should go to the settings option, then you should go the general option, and from this general option you should go the iPhone storage. From this iPhone storage space you will get all applications that you have installed in your iPhone. So from this list you can upload your application. That is, if you select any third-party application like as Truecaller, so just click on this application and offload app or delete app. By offload app or delete app you can remove the cache memory from your iPhone very easily. So that's all for today, and by doing this simple 3 steps you can clearly and successfully remove cache from your iPhone. So thank you all of you to keep in touch with Toss IT Corner. Please keep in touch with Toss IT Corner and subscribe this Toss IT Corner to show the next tips and tricks about iPhone. Thank you all of you.